Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can edit new trending video on Instagram. For example, if you observe Instagram Reels, there are different trending viral Reels which are coming with nice sort of editing or predefined templates. You can also do such Reels with this application what I show here. And first of all, I'll show you something like my Instagram. I have posted recently using that app only, and this is one of the template, and like this template there are many templates you can use of your own choice. See here, I posted something like birthday video. See here, this is the template which I created using that app, and this image is the image which I uploaded. Means you can keep your own picture. Likewise, you can have lot of trending video reels, and let's see how we can edit them. First of all, open your Play Store app and search for Vita, VITA Vita app. Just download it and open. Once you open this app, uh, and this will be the home screen what you'll see, and here you can see something like trending template. So tap on the trending template, and here you can see all the trending templates which are going viral right now. And with this, using these templates, you can have your own images here. Instead of these images which are showing up here on the template, your images will be replaced. So choose a image of yourself, of your choice. See here, I'll take this, and what you need to do is click on use now, and please add four medias. Means just shift to image section here. See image section here. By default it will come as video. You can keep the video also. By now I'm showing with image. What I'll do is I'll just take four pictures. Okay, click on this forward symbol. It get processed. See here at the bottom, these four images are uploaded here, and if I play this, the video gets created. If I click on export, that reel gets created. Once it is done, I can upload it to Instagram. And likewise, you can use different templates available here. For example, if you use this, click on use now, and here you need to select six items. At the bottom it is saying please add six items, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and click on this forward symbol. All those six images will get loaded into the video, and it gets processed. Whatever we need to do is click on export and then upload it to Instagram. Legendary. See here, this is how simple, and click on export. Once it is done, just you need to open Instagram, and you need to click on post symbol, and you can upload this video. This is how simple you can do this. If you like this video, please do hit a like. Legendary. See here, if I click on this forward symbol, that gets posted to my Instagram. So if you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.